Often thought of as an allergy, lactose intolerance is actually a malabsorption disorder. The National Institute of Child Health and Human Development estimates that between 30 and 50 million people in the United States are lactose intolerant. This incidence translates to approximately 1 out of every 10 Americans experiencing some degree of intolerance to lactose, a sugar found in dairy products. Dr. Tran of Advanced Gastroenterology and Surgery Associates explains the symptoms and treatment options available for those with lactose intolerance.
The table sugar is called sucrose. Fruit sugar is called fructose. The sugar molecule in the milk product is called lactose. And it depends. It's actually a very interesting condition. In Asians, as Vietnamese, for example, and African American, they can develop lactose malabsorption as they age. So Asians, for example, when I became a teenager, I suddenly could not drink milk anymore. So when that happens, the molecule is not absorbed, so it travels through the 22 feet of the small bowel. And then along with that, it will pull the fluids along because of the osmotic pressure. So it causes diarrhea. Bacteria will ferment on these glucose and then causes the body to have bloating and gas. So therefore it's very uncomfortable, and as the bloating increases, then backup pressure, then you feel nausea and wanting to throw up. For the general population out there to come to the medical attention is actually a couple of factors. Number one is the age. The younger people tend not to present right away. Either they will deal with it, ignore it, but the older population will, but sooner than the younger population. But then also the awareness of the primary physician. There are also physicians out there who say, well, you have symptoms, let's get you in, if nothing else for screening purposes, ruling out other conditions, especially when GI symptoms, when you have them, they're very hard to differentiate one condition from another because you can have very similar symptoms for different conditions.
AGSA offers diagnosis and treatment for numerous gastroenterological conditions. For more information about their services and Lake County offices, click the Lactose Intolerance StoryLink icon at yourhometownhealth.com.